You're wrong. Puri Baliyapanda has blue water. Share this video to anyone who wants to visit Puri. Puri has changed. Puri has evolved. Puri has a lot to offer. Hello guys, welcome to another vlog, and I am in Puri. A little while ago you saw the beautiful hotel that I'm currently in a place called as Baliyapanda. It's an extension of the new Marine Drive, which is the famous road, and the sea beach is around 50 to 100 meters away, and I am going to help you to see at this point of time this amazing place called as Puri. Before we jump into Jagannath temple, we are going to look at the beautiful place which is Puri and everything that comes along with it. So stay connected, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let's go into the blue waters. I'm in the new Marine Drive road, and this is how it is. This is where my hotel is. Beautiful place and beautiful. Sorry, do not speak when you're crossing the road. Wow, this is the beach that I was talking about. This is amazing. Just crossing it, and sun and sand. Wow, look at it. Puri has never been so beautiful. I mean, this is after 17 years I'm visiting Puri. Wow. The beach, this is the sunset time, and I am walking. Wow. Baliyapanda is one of the most secluded, calm place which I got to know, and 17-18 years back we never had this place which was all grown up. Maximum time we used to stay near Swargodar. We used to stay near the places near the Jagannath temple, but when I was searching hotels, this is one of the places that came into the limelight. And I am very happy that I got a very nice, beautiful hotel right in front of the beach. It's just a walking away. I'm working and I just stepped out in my break, and wow, what a place to be. I mean, the next time I come here, I'm going to 120% go ahead and stay in this particular Baliyapanda. I think I'm pronouncing it incorrectly. Baliyapanda. I see a camel moving here for people who want to go ahead and visit with your children. That's Fortune. There is some other beautiful hotel, and my hotel is right there. Okay, I can see over there. That's my hotel, and there you have. I'm gonna go ahead and put my feet. Oh ho ho! Finally, we have a camel here. Finally, yes, I get to see the beach. Wow. Woo! Yes. Thank you, God. Since so many days I was planning to come to Puri, and I don't know, for some reason this time on en road to Kolkata I just stopped by for a day, and wow, beautiful water, beautiful beach, and everything beautiful altogether. Tomorrow morning, early in the morning at 4:30, I'm going to go to Jagannath temple, the holy temple which is there in the city of Puri. That place you see is Swargodar, and Swargodar, Blue Flag Beach, the lighthouse. I can see a little teeny mini bits of lighthouse over there, but at this point of time, this is the most calmest place, beach, that I can find, right? Puri has never been so. While I'm moving and walking in the beach, let me go ahead and tell you how this plan started. A year back, something happened to me medically, as you're all aware. Since that time I was longing to visit, a place where, I would find calmness. Usually, I've been to places like Dharamshala and everything. I mean, I'm a traveler. So at the end of the day, what I really found was, I don't know, deep inside, I could see, there has been a longing of me coming back to Puri, right after so many years where my family took me, for all Bengali families alike. So, if I talk about Puri, it was never there on my cards, but I wanted to visit this. I don't know why. And then this time when I was planning for Kolkata to bring my parents over, I stopped by Bhubaneswar, and from Bhubaneswar I took a cab, and the cost is somewhere around 1350. It took Uber is the most cheapest one. Let me tell you that. Don't go for Rapido or any Yatri, Orissa app or anything. They straight away charge you 2600 approximately, but Uber is the most cheapest one is what I can say. And after doing that, I was trying to find a hotel. The cab driver was most polite, and he was telling me about the changes between Bhubaneswar and Puri, and I could go ahead and relate to him. And once it was sorted, I came here. I found this hotel, very wonderful hotel. It is a 3-star hotel, and I got it for just around 1800 rupees, and that too inclusive of breakfast. They gave me a check-in around 10ish. They gave me a check-in around 10ish, and then the checkout time is tomorrow at 9. So I have to plan my temple visit, and I want to be there in the beach to have sweets, to reminisce my childhood memories all over. So, but Puri has changed. Puri has changed for good. Orissa tourism has evolved, and the next time I think I'm going to bring my family again. And the icing on the cake right now, what I can find is I find blue waters in Puri. That is amazing. Wow. So if you want to know more about this place here is Regenta Central, and that's Fortune, and that's Golden Wave Premium, right? So there are like lots of hotels here. That's also one of the 4-star hotels I can find. But yeah, as you move on, that's like eternity, right? So that's the place where technically there's a lot of the waves movement is a lot harsher, and it's cleaner because as you can see there are lesser amount of people. But this is the place where you can actually swim, you can do stuff, right? But that's the place over there, that's Swargodar, and that's one of the most crowded place what I can see and what I can suggest to you guys. So stay around this place, Balyan Panda, and it's really nice, it's very beautiful, and blue waters. If you feel South Goa only has blue waters, so I put it on record. So stay tuned, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and keep on following. Marine Drive, that's the place that I'm currently walking. Very wonderful. It connects Swargodar, it connects the entire beach cycle of Blue Flag Beach, the lighthouse, Balya Panda, lighthouse, Blue Flag Beach, Niladri Beach, and all the beaches, Swargodar Beach that comes along with it. Can you believe you can see blue water in Puri? I mean, the last time I saw blue water was either outside India or at South. There are lots of places to stay. There are hotels that you can find online listed. The Bay Suites, the SKS Beach Resort and Spa, Niladri Premium, Shakti Horizon, and this is some kind of palace which is NRS Royal Palace. So these hotels you can see in Make My Trip and anything, and these are all found near this beautiful blue beach, right? Get a bit of an idea, right, where this entire thing is. This is completely sea beach view. What these hotels claim is absolutely correct. This is Hotel Sonar Bangla, and I have the Puri lighthouse right in front of me. This is another landmark for Puri, and as you can see, the crowds are getting, the area is getting crowded. So here is one place I'm going to cover. 10 rupees is the cost of getting into the lighthouse. Full exercise. I thought of covering the lighthouse today. 10 rupees it took. 15 minutes from my hotel, and 10 rupees to entry. Just make sure that you guys are here till the lighthouse is open till 5:30. Alright, that's the inside of lighthouse. Wow. Lighthouse se utar. I got out of the lighthouse. Now we are going to go ahead and search for some sweets. Let's see. My god, a full exercise has happened. For a long time I've been launching some sweets. In childhood, these guys used to get these rasgullas, kheer kodambo, chena poda, right, in their shoulders, and used to make us eat. These sweets used to wander around the beaches of Puri. Unfortunately today I couldn't find anything. Probably I'll give another try tomorrow morning. That's something that I was craving for. This is Swargodar beach, and this is just near the lighthouse, right? The entire stretch goes to Jagannath temple and all the other beaches, but what I can say is this entire beach is very crowded. The beach that you saw near my hotel is very calm, composed, right? But this is the most crowded spot here. It's commercialized. And people do visit this beach. Definitely if I'm visiting, that means this is again a must go. But again, for swimming, bathing, I can recommend you the beach near my hotel, not this one. But yeah, overall a wonderful place to be. And this is sunset happening at the same point of time. This is one place near the lighthouse where you can find a lot of hotels, which is Namaste Beach Resort. You'll find Prabhupada, you'll find Hotel Niladri. And this is again a best choice for you to stay. It's a complete sea beach view hotels, and this is just near the beach. Found the amazing sweet virtual shop. I think I found the guy who sells sweets on the beach, right? Finally the most happening sweets in Puri beach. Chena poda एक दो एक chena poda दे दो. Chena poda. So this is Madan Mohan. Rasgulla. Madan Mohan.
Chena jili.
I had all the sweets, right? This is Rasgulla, Odisha's favorite, right, along with Bengal. And there is online payment also available for these guys, right? You can find him at near Swargodar beach. So finally I am having these sweets, right? It's so wonderful. You can find guys like him who sell sweets on the beach. Amazing, right? A lot of memories just near the lighthouse. I have walked around 4 to 5 kilometers at this point of time, from my hotel to Swargodar beach to the lighthouse, finally finding the food that I was craving for, those amazing beach sweets which you could see at this point of time. I'm going to end this video today sitting in front of the beach and reminiscing my childhood memories with my family which I had over a period of time.